Chapter 9, How to Stay Fit and Healthy. A story. Many years ago, everyone strong and healthy. They ate a healthy diet full of fruits and vegetables. Everyone exercised daily, and the earth was the healthiest place you could imagine. All this made the dark witches angry. They only want to do harm and make problems for people. They soon learned to change the eating habits of people. Now, all that the people wanted to do was eat ice cream, pizza, burgers, and candy. They do no longer enjoy playing and exercising. All that tired them. They just wanted to stay in the house, sitting or lying about. After many years, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered that the little witches were causing all these problems. There was no vaccine or cough mixture to get rid of them. But the good doctor discovered that the witches could not stand joy and good humor. It turned out that the best cure was to make a strong effort to live a healthy, joyful, and happy life. When a person became healthy, the little witches would leave the body as soon as they could. From then on, the best recommend was not pills or injections, but just a little bit of effort to eat some fruits, vegetables, and fish, and to do some exercise. And whoever came to see Dr. Fitter Healthier and took his advice ended up totally well, being cured of the waste of life disease. Being clean and healthy. Keeping your body clean is an important part of keeping yourself healthy. Caring about the way you look is important to your self esteem. Here are some things you can do to stay clean. Have a bath every day. Make sure you clean behind your ears and neck too. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before eating. Keep your hair clean. Make sure you wear clean clothes and change them if they get dirty while playing. Being clean on the outside is not enough. You need to be clean and healthy on the inside also. Here is how you can do that. Eat healthy home cooked food. Avoid junk food like chips, sweets, or cold drinks. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Drink milk. Exercise and play games every day. Balanced diet. It is very important to eat a balanced diet in order to be healthy. A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrition it needs to function properly. In order to get balanced nutrition, you should obtain the majority of your daily calories from fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Component of a balanced diet. Food is made up of nutrients. Nutrients give us energy and helps our body to grow. The most important nutrients are proteins. We find proteins in meat, fish, beans, milk, cheese, etc. Proteins build our bones and muscles and are important for growth. Carbohydrates. These are found in bread, rice, and vegetables such as potatoes. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Fats. We find fats in fried foods, cheese, butter, ghee, and oils. Fats also give us energy. We also need to have vitamins and minerals. There are quite a few vitamins, and most of them have letters vitamin A, B, C, D, and E. An important mineral is salt. Other important ones are calcium and iron. We need minerals in smaller quantities. Fresh fruits and vegetables are very useful in helping us stay healthy. They give us vitamins and are useful because they help prevent disease. Meals in a day. We normally eat 3 meals in a day. These are breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day and also the first meal. We should eat a healthy and balanced breakfast because it gives us energy to start the day well. Lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day and is eaten at night. It should be the lightest meal of the day. We may feel hungry in between meals. You should have healthy snacks, milk, nuts, and fruits in between meals.